Bring him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I just want to thank everyone for being here for my 100 subscriber celebration video, where I'm going to be announcing the prizes that are going to be given out. So before we get started, I just wanted to give you a little behind the scenes look at a couple of things that are going to be coming up on the channel at some point. I pulled this charger out to be my weekly build this week, and as I was polishing it, I noticed it was going to be needing some zinc plating. So because I haven't done that yet, and I'm not sure if I can get that done on time with the other builds I have going on this week, I'm going to choose something simple that I can knock out very quickly. That being said, already got some parts in. I've purchased a couple more airbrushes that will be arriving sometime within the next week, and that will allow me to paint more cars at one time with different colors. I've seen other people in the past where they paint cars, like 2 or 3 cars in a row in their videos, the same color, because they paint them all at the same time. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just not something that I want to do. I want to be able to change the colors up in the builds every week. Okay. Also, today I got in these, I'd have to look at the eBay auction to see if these are decals or stickers for sure, but I got these off of eBay for the Lola that I showed in my one video, so this will be coming up in the rotation as well, so look for that pretty soon in the near future. Let's get this charger out of the way, and then we will talk about what the prizes are and what I would like for you to post in the comments. So let me pull my notes out here. What I'd like for you to post in the comments is Diecast Pirate Rocks. Okay? Because I don't want some, I was thinking like, oh, we want 1,000 subs or something. Like, don't be doing that. You know, if we ever get there, we get there. Okay? Yeah, I want more subs. Yeah, I want more people to see what I'm doing here. I mean, who doesn't? Right? The more I see of you other guys' fantastic builds and everything you're doing, just makes me so proud to be part of this community, and I just want to share. You know, I know people will enjoy what's going on here, and you know, so that's what this is about. This is about celebrating you. So the grand prize, prize number 1, is the Porsche 911, the 71 Porsche 911. I painted it in Aqua Spectra Flame. And I was able to confirm last night, absolutely 100%, these are SoMo wheels. And you may wonder how I know that. I kind of ran into SoMo on Facebook and I asked him. So, yeah, that was a fun experience. So, that was pretty awesome. Prize number 2 is not my pickup truck. It's this lot of black walls from that unboxing video of that old lot that I got from eBay, and I thought it'd be really cool to give these cars to one of you guys. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cars, and I misspoke in the one video. I thought that I'd sent this car to Cole and I'd set it aside for this lot. So there are those. We have the Thing, Poison Pinto. Here is a Porsche 959 with the Ultra Hots wheels. We have the Gold Center Corvette Stingray. It doesn't say what year it is. It's copyright 1980, but I know this is a later edition of that because the original came out with Redlines, I believe. Or no, not Redlines. And then we have the Snake and Mongoose cars. Those are going to be in there. Then we have one of these teetotalers, and this front axle is snapped out of place. And I think it'll go back in place, but it's probably gonna have to be drilled and tapped, or to get it back in. Or you could just keep it the way it is if you're a collector. We have the SWAT van, which is a vision vehicle. You can look in and see the SWAT guy with the dog on a leash. We have, I forget what these are, flip outs, the flip outs, and this one is I think it's supposed to be a Camaro. I thought it was like a Firebird, but I think it's a Camaro, and that has the thing on the bottom that flips over. So there's that, and the 57 T-Bird, and then this thing, I don't know what the name of this one is, it doesn't say on the bottom, but it's like an old Ford Baja truck. So there's that. Prize number 3 will be the last of the V8 Interceptors, and I actually bought 4 of these a couple years ago because when I decide I like something and I want it, I usually get multiple for some reason. I'm trying to be better about that and not be so impulsive buying. I bought one, and I tore it apart to build a tribute to a truck that my dad had when I was a kid. And then I used one for bringing out the cars in some of the videos for the restorations and customs. And also, I sent one to my friend Cole over at Kuda's Diecast Customs, and then this is the last one. And I'm not sending it to one of you guys. I'm sorry the package got smashed. It was in storage for a couple years, so I'm not exactly sure when that happened. But, you guys can decide what you want to do with it. If you want to move it on to somebody else, or keep it in the package the way it is, or open it up and put it in with your collection. That'll be up to you. So there's that. Prize number 4 is going to be the Matchbox Superfast 36 Ford Custom. So it has the opening doors and it comes with the box. Okay. Prize number 5 is the Matchbox Superfast Crown Vic. The rear doors open. It comes with the box. Prize number 6 is going to be 2 cars together. And these are both moving parts cars. So we have the 36 Ford Sedan Custom in green. And we also have the Renault Trésor Concept. So those will be going to the same, those will be going together. Prize number 7 is the Matchbox 5-pack, the Coffee Cruisers 2. You have the Bug, Lotus, the Plymouth Sedan, 47 Chevy, and the 78 Dodge Monaco police car. So there's that. Prize number 8 is Matchbox Highway, and I'm looking to see it doesn't list what the cars are, but there's a convertible Camaro, an old Mercury wagon, it looks like, Fiat, Fox body Mustang police car, and looks like a Porsche in gold with black wheels. This will be prize number 8. Prize number 9 is the Matchbox Wild. So you got a jacked up 4-wheel drive 65 Mustang. You got an old Ford Bronco 2 with the trailer, a Hummer, and the Dodge truck there. That's prize number 9. Prize number 10 will be the Hot Wheels 69 Charger with Flames Edition, and the Matchbox Ford Capri. This prize number 10. And then, as a gag gift bonus, I have these 2 cars, and a little bit about these. This one was a bonus that somebody threw in with an eBay lot, and I said thank you, I don't want that, but somebody out there would love this car. And then this one, I saw it in the package, so it's like, oh, it's a factory, I thought it was, the wrong wheel. No, they did it that way on purpose. So once I found that out, I popped it out of the package, and I figured, maybe there's somebody out there that would like this. But at any rate, just a bonus. I do have a lot more. Like, as I said, sometimes I buy things extra, and I do have a lot more that I'm not giving away, and we'll save those for the next one. How do I draw the line? how do I don't want to only give a couple gifts, but I don't want to give too many. So I was like, you know what, let's do 10. I think 10's a good number. So that's how we arrived at this. Don't forget, post in the comments of this video, Diecast Pirate Rocks. And then 1 week from today, I will have the drawing video posted. I'll do the drawing a week from today, and I'll post it. And once I do the drawing, and when I go to do the drawing, I'll say the entry is closed in the comments, and I'll pin it so people know that they're voting. You know, the contest is ended, and then I'll have the announcement video up about who won. Trying to think if there's anything else. Oh, stay tuned after this video. I am going to have an announcement video for something that's going to involve you guys more. It's something I'm calling the subscriber's choice. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and we'll see how that goes. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click that like button for me. I really, really enjoy seeing all the likes, and I love all the comments you guys give. And you know, I appreciate your feedback too. Thank you. Thank you for that. And please share. There's a share button. Click share it on whatever social media you're on. You know, spread the word. Okay. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.